Meet the Superflower. Hibiscus is here to save the day, or at least make it better. Alright everybody, gather around, have I got something for you today? It's bright, it's beautiful, it's a flower. But not just any flower. This is the hibiscus. And let me tell you, it's basically a superhero in petals. Seriously, a super flower. You heard it here first. It's like the Beyoncé of the botanical world. It's just that fabulous. Now you might be thinking, Ellen, a flower? Really? Yes, really. This isn't your average garden variety wallflower. This flower has secrets. Good secrets. The kind of secrets that make you feel amazing. It's been hiding in plain sight. But today we're pulling back the curtain. We're revealing all its amazing powers. Get ready to be amazed. So why is this hibiscus so special? Well, for starters, it's not just pretty, though it is very, very pretty. We'll get to that. But it's packed with goodness. Goodness that your body will love. Think of it as a tiny, flowery personal assistant. One that helps you feel better. And it doesn't even ask for a raise or vacation days. Perfect, right? We're going to dive deep into the world of hibiscus. We'll talk about why it's so great and how you can get more of it in your life. Okay, let's talk about looks. Because let's be honest, hibiscus is a stunner. Those colors, red, pink, yellow, orange, sometimes even a mix. It's like a sunset in a flower. They're big, they're bold, they're beautiful. You can't help but smile when you see one. It's like they're saying, hey, good to see ya. And who doesn't need more of that in their life? I know I do, especially on Mondays. And because they're so gorgeous, people love to show them off. You see them in gardens making everything look tropical, instant vacation vibes right in your backyard. People wear them in their hair. Hello, island princess, they use them for decorations at parties. Suddenly your barbecue feels like a luau, all thanks to this amazing flower. It just screams good times. It's the life of the party, even if it's just sitting there looking pretty. But here's the thing, hibiscus isn't just a pretty face, it's got substance. It's got depth. Pretty and powerful, it's the total package. Now for the really good stuff, the inside stuff. Hibiscus is loaded, and I mean loaded with antioxidants. What are antioxidants, you ask? Great question. Think of them as your body's tiny superheroes, little ninjas fighting off the bad guys. The bad guys are called free radicals. They're not fun. They can cause damage. They're like those uninvited guests at a party. The ones who double dip in the guacamole. Nobody wants that. These free radicals can mess with your cells. They can make you feel older, faster. Nobody wants that either. We want to feel young, or at least youngish. Antioxidants help protect your cells from this damage. They're like a shield. A very tasty shield in this case. And hibiscus, it's practically overflowing with these protectors. It's like an antioxidant convention in every sip. So, when you drink hibiscus tea, for example, you're sending in reinforcements, you're giving your body more of what it needs to stay healthy. It's like upgrading your internal security system, from a sleepy guard dog to a team of highly trained secret agents, all working to keep you feeling good. And looking good too, probably. Healthy cells mean a healthy glow. It's a win-win. Section 4, blood pressure buddy, keeping things chill naturally. Alright, let's talk about something serious for a moment, but we'll make it fun, because that's how we roll. High blood pressure, it's a sneaky thing. You might not even know you have it. It can cause all sorts of problems if it's not managed. It puts extra stress on your heart and blood vessels. Think of it as a constant traffic jam in your arteries. Honk, honk, nobody likes a traffic jam. But guess what? Our friend hibiscus might be able to help. Studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea can help lower blood pressure. Isn't that incredible? A flower tea. It's like nature's little helper for your circulation. It's not a magic cure, of course. Always talk to your doctor. But it can be a wonderful natural addition to a healthy lifestyle. A tasty way to support your heart health. And who wouldn't want that? Your heart works hard. It deserves a little floral love. Hibiscus seems to help relax the blood vessels. When your blood vessels are relaxed, it's easier for blood to flow. Less pressure, more chill. That's what hibiscus can help with. Section 5, liver's little helper, because your liver deserves a spa day too. Okay, let's talk about an organ that doesn't get enough credit. Your liver. This thing is a workhorse. It's like the unsung hero of your body. It cleans your blood, it processes nutrients, it deals with all the not-so-great stuff you might eat or drink. Think of it as your body's very own recycling and waste management plant. It's busy, 24/7, no days off. Doesn't your liver deserve a little support, a little spa day? I think so, and hibiscus agrees. Hibiscus has properties that can help support liver health. Studies suggest it can help protect your liver from damage. It might even help it work more efficiently. It's like giving your liver a little pep talk. You got this, liver, keep up the good work, and then giving it a refreshing, healthy drink. That drink being hibiscus tea, of course. It's like a tiny personal trainer for your liver, encouraging it to be its best self. A happy liver means a happier you. Section 6. Weight loss. Wingman shedding pounds with a floral friend. Alright, let's be real. Losing weight or managing weight, it can be a journey, sometimes a long journey, with ups and downs, and maybe a few too many cookies. We've all been there, right? You're trying your best, eating salads, moving more, but sometimes you need a little extra support. A wingman, if you will. Well, guess who might be a great wingman in your weight loss efforts? You guessed it, our Superflower Hibiscus. Now, hibiscus isn't a magic pill, let's be clear. It's not going to make you drop 3 sizes overnight. If only, we'd all be drinking it by the gallon. But it can be a helpful partner in your healthy habits. Some research suggests that hibiscus may help with weight management. It might help prevent the accumulation of fat. It could also play a role in how your body processes fats and sugars. It's like having a tiny floral coach cheering you on from the sidelines. You can do it. Just one less donut. How cool is that? A flower that could help with that? It's thought to potentially inhibit the production of amylase. That's an enzyme that helps break down starches and sugar. Section 7. Get your hibiscus on. So there you have it. Hibiscus, the superflower, the pretty petal, the health hero. Are you as excited about it as I am? I hope so. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? From its good looks to its antioxidant power, from helping with blood pressure to supporting your liver, and even being a wingman for weight loss. This flower does it all, or at least, a lot of it. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the flower world, but prettier. Now you're probably wondering, how do I get in on this hibiscus action? How do I join the Superflower squad? It's easy. So easy. The most popular way is hibiscus tea. You can find it in most grocery stores, tea bags, loose leaf. It's usually a beautiful reddish color, and it tastes a bit tart, kind of like cranberries. Some people add a little honey or lemon, drink it hot, drink it cold. It's delicious either way. Perfect for a cozy evening or a hot summer day, but tea isn't the only way. Oh no. Hibiscus is versatile. It's adventurous. You can find hibiscus in some jams and jellies. Sometimes it's used as a food coloring, a natural one. In some cultures, they even candy the petals. Fancy. If you enjoyed learning about hibiscus, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.